This video is a simple example of a typical lesson. If you can handle this, you can dive into the vignettes. The first thing I'll do is tell you what key we're in. We're in the key of C today. And maybe a bit slower. Yeah, that's better. After that, the lesson will start. Typically, I'll introduce a simple part, something like this. Let's add one more note. I'll stay here for just a bit to explain what we're playing. Then we'll go further. I've broken those 3 notes into a pattern, and you can play along. I'll give you plenty of time to lock into the tempo and get used to the notes. Then we'll start the actual chords. 1, 6 minor, and 4. You'll see the chords on your screen as well. And after a few times through, let's add some variation. Watch my right hand. We're adding simple changes for interest and melody. Now we're going to add an octave in the left hand. And there's always time in the lesson for you to play along, if you wish. Here comes a nice little change. It's a 2 minor, 1/3, 4. Or, in chords, D minor, C/E, and F. And then we'll end it. Again, if you can make it through this, you can start the vignettes. When is the last time you started something that you knew would make you better?